I'm Dr. Trisha Naik, obstetrician gynecologist, OBS registrar, Stockholm, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. I'm here to talk on PCOS, a terminology that has gained popularity in recent time. You all often Google, what is PCOS? What does PCOS stands for? Is it curable? And what does an ultrasound report suggesting of PCOS to be clinically correlated means? I'm here to answer these questions and give you a basic overview of PCOS. Well, PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. It is defined as hormonal disorder which is characterized by enlarged ovaries with multiple cysts on its outer edges. It is not a disease per se, but it is a pattern of fluctuating reproductive hormones in your body, a situation of hormonal imbalance in your body. What does this hormonal imbalance do to your body? It causes infertility, type 2 diabetes mellitus, heart diseases, cholesterol abnormalities, and endometrial cancer in later stages of life. Is PCOS common? Of course it is common. 1 in 10 Indian women of reproductive age group suffers with PCOS. What are the causes of PCOS? Well, the exact cause is unknown, but there are contributing factors that leads to PCOS. They are identified as genetic factors, excessive release of androgen in the body, excessive release of insulin in the body, low-grade inflammations in the body, and of course, obesity. What are the symptoms of PCOS? Symptoms that makes you visit your gynecologist. They are irregular menses with heavy bleeding, acne, infertility, excessive hair growth in unwanted regions of your body, commonly called as hirsutism, excessive hair fall, female pattern baldness, obesity, and acanthosis, that is darkening around your neck regions. These are the symptoms. Not necessarily all symptoms will be present in you. Every body is different and everybody might present with different symptoms or different combination of symptoms. What are the treatment modalities? The treatment modalities includes lifestyle modification, medications, and surgeries. I should tell you that your gynecologist individualize your treatment plans. But one thing that is important for everybody is lifestyle modification. It is very important and it has proven to reduce the effect of PCOS in among 60% of cases. What is lifestyle modification? Lifestyle modifications includes healthy lifestyle, healthy dietary habits, healthy diets, small frequent meals, to avoid junk food. It is to keep yourself hydrated. It is to do regular exercises and do weight reductions. It is a proven modality, treatment modality of PCOS. Other than that, there are medications for PCOS which are symptom specific. These includes hormonal birth control pills, anti-androgens, includes diabetic drugs, includes fertility drugs, and cancer preventing drugs. They are going to be prescribed by your gynecologist depending on your situations and your symptoms. Other than that, there are surgical modalities. Like I have said earlier, they are all treatment symptom specific, so they will be done depending on the symptoms and if they are not cured with medication. And lastly, ovarian drilling in cases of infertility for the women who want to conceive. In the end, I would say PCOS is it's not 100% curable, but it can be reverted back, and the best modality is lifestyle modification. So your health lies in your hand. Thank you.